That one. That's Ellie. Ellie, are you polka dots? Yeah. I need Hannah and Angel. Hannah and Melanie. Hannah and Melanie to the center of the dome. I need Hannah and Melanie to the center of the dome. Let's go. All right, that rain's gone. Get in here.
Hey, Cruz High Delta Red Cross Blue Dog.
How about that? That was the first ever rainstorm in 10 UCFCs. For all of you that have lost already, please come to the front of the boat and get your 2-piece box lunch from KFC.
Do me a favor, put those in my cabinet right above.
You got the chicken?
All right, grab on. The rain is almost over. What do you get? A big hail, yeah! Put the down! Brother, it's good to have you in town. It's always a special treat to have you up here refereeing. We're all very comfy.
Is that Melanie?
We just can't take the hangover.
Is that Angel? Is that Hannah? Where's Melanie at? Let's go. You're
Come
up.
on! Titty City, get in the ring!
Wait a minute. No, it was Angel that won. You lost to Angel, right?
Where's Angel Brian?
Angel won. Angel won. I'm sorry. I
Where's
was
your stuff, dude? Come on, mount up. Hey, back
You're
up.
out.
Hey,
You're out.
Good job, Rosie.
I need another piece of paper.
All right, everybody just back up just a few feet, and we'll get this thing started.
Can you just give me a piece of paper?